Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of you don't have permission to access on the application of Netflix. You click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you can go to above and you can search about Netflix like this. Sorry for that, Netflix app. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to